It was a day that no one can forget. The day that northeast China, and especially Heilongjiang Province, fell into one of the most devastating snowstorms in history. The gray, cold sky seemed to signal an imminent nightmare. For a few short hours, the snow fell so heavily that all activities in the area were suspended. Familiar roads now turned into snowy fields, ensuing with unimaginable chaos and fear. In just a few hours, traffic throughout Heilongjiang Province was completely paralyzed. The arterial roads leading into the city become dead roads, where the snow is so thick that no vehicle can move. A series of vehicles, from trucks to cars, were buried under the snow. Airports in the region had to close. Thousands of tourists are stranded, with nowhere to go, not knowing when they will be able to return. The storm came so fast, so intense that no one had time to prepare. The houses, the seemingly solid buildings, could not withstand the pressure of the dense snow that was weighing on them. The snow fell thick and relentless, like an endless white curtain swallowing every road, making them vanish into the bone-chilling cold. The people, each step sinking deep into the heavy snow, struggled against the blinding storm. Every movement was a battle with nature, as if they were trying to survive in the midst of a brutal ice age. The streets were no longer paths, but harsh terrains, buried under snow, where the entire world seemed to hold its breath, trapped in an endless, frozen silence. How do you feel here? Please leave your feelings under the comment section so that everyone knows. In Jiamusi City, a stadium completely collapsed under the weight of the snow, burying 3 people inside. The local authorities had to mobilize all the rescue forces to rescue the trapped people, but time was against them. The blizzard continued to fall, showing no signs of stopping. The wind howled, dragging along waves of thick snow, like sharp blades slashing through the air, cutting deep into the minds of those who witnessed it. The entire world was swallowed in blinding white. No signs of life, no sounds except the desperate howl of the wind. Blizzards descended relentlessly, as if the Ice Age had returned, erasing every trace of humanity. The biting cold enveloped everything, seeping into the bones, bringing with it a feeling of helplessness and insignificance in the face of nature's wrath. The ground was no longer a safe haven, but a desolate field of death, where time stood still and the apocalypse seemed to have truly arrived. Rescue teams are battling time and weather conditions. Roads are buried under meters of snow, and traffic is paralyzed, making it nearly impossible to reach remote areas. Residents are trapped indoors, without electricity, without food, and with no way to communicate with the outside. Temperatures are plummeting, and blizzards are breaking all historical records of fierceness and devastation. infrastructure are affected, but the agricultural sector is also seriously damaged. Helpless farmers watch their crops buried in the snow. Cattle are frozen, and food supplies to the entire region are in jeopardy. Local governments are racing against time to restore some of life to the people, but the fight against nature is not easy. The people of Heilongjiang did not give up. Stories of courage and humanity appear everywhere. Neighbors help each other, share food and shelter. Volunteers from all over came to assist with relief efforts. In the bone-chilling cold of winter and fierce blizzards, the spirit of human solidarity still shines. The massive snowplows, with engines roaring, rolled tirelessly day and night along the snow-buried roads. The powerful machines tore through the thick layers of snow, clearing the path and restoring the roads for the people. Each turn of the wheels marked a step toward renewed life, a sign of hope for a warmer tomorrow. The atmosphere was buzzing with energy and excitement, as if the battle with nature had reached its climax and humanity would emerge victorious. The entire crew worked with optimism and determination, bringing life back to the frozen roads. The blizzard is not over, and the consequences it leaves will last for weeks, even months. But the people of Heilongjiang were not subdued. In the dark moment of natural disasters, the light of resilience and humanity is shone brightly. This is not only a fight against nature, but also a fight to protect their hope and future. Nature can be destructive, but it cannot extinguish human courage and will. This is a powerful reminder that, in the midst of the greatest difficulties, we are always capable of overcoming them. We hope you will continue to follow the stories of human resilience in the face of the toughest challenges. Press the like button, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any other touching and inspiring stories.